Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu Nation Sudoku puzzle on December 10, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come. These cells, 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come. These cells, the 8 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 7, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come. These cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 8, 3. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 9, 2, 5. Column G, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 7, 3, 8. Column F, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row, column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 3 also here. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column G, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Second row also we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column I, third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 9th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. And 2 is confirmed here. Column D, second row, third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of the cells. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row we have 6. Column H also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. Third row, column D, we have pair numbers 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J, column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then third card, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D, we have 7. 10th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row we have 7. Column J also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 4. Column H also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. In 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then third grade, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. And then 3 is here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.